Real talk, mamas. There is nothing quite like mapping out a gorgeous cross-country road trip, packing up your dream SUV, and then realizing you have to coordinate the entire drive around a strict pumping schedule. Sitting in the passenger seat watching the miles fly by while trying not to spill your liquid gold is a whole mood. If you are hitting the highway this season, whether you are cruising in a luxury Wagoneer or taking a family vacation, you do not have to stress about losing your supply or your sanity. Today, we are spilling the tea on how to master the ultimate passenger seat pumping schedule, look incredibly chic doing it, and travel like a total VIP. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your mind or your luxury aesthetic. Being a breastfeeding mom doesn't mean you have to skip the classic American road trip. But it does mean your passenger seat needs to become a high-end mobile pumping oasis. Grab an iced latte and let's get into it. First up, let's talk about transforming that front seat into a total vibe. Forget dealing with tangled cords and clunky plug-in adapters that mess with your car's clean aesthetic. Cordless, wearable pumps are an absolute game changer for the open road. You can literally slip them into your bra and pump while navigating the highway without anyone in the next lane even noticing. Keep a bougie designer tote right at your feet stocked with all your essentials like organic pump wipes and clean bottles. Keeping your gear pristine ensures your road trip feels less like a chore and more like a luxury getaway. Next, let's nail down the actual schedule. The secret to a stress-free cross-country drive is syncing your pump times with your baby's natural rhythm. Aim to pump every 3 hours, ideally matching up with stops for gas, quick stretches, or adjusting the strollers in the trunk. If your baby is sleeping through a long stretch of highway, use that quiet time to pump right in the passenger seat while your partner handles the wheel. Track your ounces on your favorite app, and set a silent vibration alarm on your smartwatch so you don't wake the little one. Finally, let's talk storage because keeping that liquid gold safe for hundreds of miles is non-negotiable. Ditch the cheap plastic coolers that leak water all over your luxury floor mats. Investing in a high-end, plug-in car refrigerator or a sleek travel chiller that fits perfectly in your cup holder is worth every single buck. It keeps your milk perfectly cold for over 20 hours and looks like an expensive water bottle. Road tripping as a pumping mama can be a total breeze with the right gear and a solid plan. If you love these hacks, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your favorite road trip destination. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.